Time to do some more tire changes. So I need this guy. I need this guy. And Mr. Torque Wrench. Mr. Big Torque Wrench. I need this guy. Of course, I need my wheel chocks as well. My homemade handy dandy wheel chocks, which you can't see, but you will see, I think, in the time lapse, because it should record darker. And then, of course, my good old handy dandy 3-ton. Yeah. The joke about these is that they can jack up a vehicle, but they can't roll over a zip tie. Of course, I need my headlamp too because it's dark out. So out I go. Well, that's about it. Now, all I gotta do is put my wheel chocks away in their spot and clean up the rest of the stuff. Put the tires away, put the wrenches away, and so on, and then it's done, thankfully. I'll double check the wheel torque tomorrow after my drive to work, and yeah, done for whatever stuff is about to come.